Massachusetts is under attack by a threat that is unknown to most. However, only 4 out of 14 counties have these threats. Those 4 are listed below: Worcester County, Franklin County, Hampshire County, Berkshire County. If you do not live in the 4 counties listed, you have time. If you have children, bring them in your home immediately. Keep all doors and windows locked until further notice. Those who live in any of the 4 counties listed, you must remain inside. Lock all doors and windows. Find a hiding spot in case a creature somehow gets in your home. Use an object that could be used for self-defense. Firearms recommended. This ends the broadcast until we find out more about the threat.